Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to create a shareable link for photos in Google Drive. So to get started, open a web browser. I am using Brave and then go to Google Drive. So make sure you're signed in, and then once you're in your Drive, go to the top left, then press New and then select New Folder. I'm going to keep it as it is. You can give it a name and then press Create. And double click on the folder, then again go to the plus new and select file upload. Now select your folders that you want to upload. I'm going to highlight this three and then select open. Wait for the photos to finish uploading. Okay, when done, now click on this folder name at the top, and here you can see this three dot. Select that and go to share, and again select share, and here you can see this copy link. You can copy this, but to create a shareable link you have to change the general access to anyone with the link. And now just press copy link, and now you can share the link with anyone you want. And that's it. If you like this video, then please comment and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.